Well, howdy there, y'all. Welcome to the A-frame for Airbnb here in beautiful Canyon Lake, Texas.
All right, Daryl.
Yes, ma'am.
Where to first?
Start the master, shall we? Actually, scratch that. Everybody gets a tour. They get the tour of the view first. So let's go to the view. It's the best part. Look at the grandiose tour. So you have a cathedral ceiling that is bar none. It's the best one you've ever seen in your life. That is going out to this 30-foot wide deck. It's also about 8 feet deep. So you can fit friends and chairs so you can relax out there and enjoy the view of the hill country. And it's really an undisturbed view for a long way off. So you get beautiful scenic views with really nice fall foliage. We actually have, I believe, a Shumard oak that's turning red right now. There's a couple of them down there that are on the property. So it's pretty nice. We actually just saw a deer walking through the bottom of the land right there, which is about probably about 30 to 40 feet below us, I'd imagine. So you're above the trees. So once you come back in to the A-frame, what you can do is grab a coffee over here in the beautiful kitchen, okay? So basically, right here, we'll have the coffee maker in the corner, you know, doing the K-cup and espressos in the morning. And while you're doing that, you'll be able to look out the skylight right here and see the other part of the view, which is the west side, the east side of the house. There you go. Yeah, so that'll be really cool. And then we'll have like appliances right here. We just got like some foodies, Ninja foodies, that you can make really all types of food with. It'll be really awesome. On this side, if you want to grab some pots and pans, you're able to grab a few here, right? Before you get going in the morning. Behind you is the refrigerator. So it'll be right here. You get to open up, get your OJ, get your milk, all that good stuff. Once you got that, you're like, I want to watch TV. So you come over here. So we're gonna have a 55-inch TV. So we'll have a nice couch and whatnot, and you'll be able to enjoy the TV. My favorite part about it, other than the view, is that you're directly under the Mr. Cool unit that's for this whole space, but it hits you really well when you're in the couch area. So if you want to get all cozy and fall asleep, you can. And right now it's a bunch of construction stuff, but we'll have the dining room right here. So the whole family can gather. I think it'll sit, 4, 5, 6 people, maybe more.
Yeah, I think 6 is where I'm thinking.
Yeah, so a bunch of folks can chill out there and you wanna go upstairs?
Yeah, or the room.
Let's go to the rooms. Come on, let's go. Okay.
We get so distracted with the view that we forget that we have other rooms down here.
Yeah. So really this room is for either like small kids or if you want to do some remote working. So we basically are going to have a desk right here so you can have your Wi-Fi and do your Zoom calls or whatnot.
Starlink.
Mm-hmm. We're getting Starlink. Thank you, Elon.
Yeah.
We love Elon. Elon. Okay, right here we got a bed. So it'll be kind of like a day bed kind of thing that goes out to about here-ish where I am. So it'll be nice. This is the really cool part. So if you come over here, we have a skylight. It's kind of hidden. So you get to walk over here and look at the view. Come check the view out. So you get to check out the view. Oftentimes you have like birds and different things you can see flying through the air, or birds flying through the air, but little maybe wildlife. Every once in a while you see some deer or something walking down there. It's really nice. But yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, and there's going to be like a bed on the ground here where you can like chill and look at the view.
Forgot about the Mr. Cool that's in this room. So we're keeping it cool everywhere, okay? So you're not going to be hot. You're going to be nice and cozy everywhere you go.
It's not going to be hot, especially because we're in Texas, so we know.
Now, I've got to stop for a second and talk about this archway.
Oh, I love it.
Which is my wife's idea. Through and through. So this is going to be bricked out, red brick. Am I right, babe?
Yeah.
So
very vintage red.
Yes, so it'll be super nice. It'll really stand out. You don't see archways in houses anymore. You definitely don't see them in A-frames. Very unique. As we move forward here, so now we're in the foyer, also known as the hallway. So we have electrical box, kind of the water closet kind of thing going on here. Or laundry room rather. We have it set up for laundry. Might not have it in the Airbnb, but it's set up for all that. All right, so this is the bathroom. Now, it's very interesting when you're trying to make like a full-size bathroom in an A-frame because the ceiling is coming in at such a crazy clip. But we got everything in here. So you can't see it right now, but on this back wall, we'll have the toilet. So you'll have that. But this is like going to be the glamorous shower. So it's going to be like floor-to-ceiling tile. What large format are we going with, or whatever you want to go with? But if you look at me, look how tall this thing is. Like, you don't really get to have showers like this where they're like 10 feet tall. Okay, so you have a lot of space. It's also pretty wide. Like, I can throw some bows in here if I wanted to. Okay, so it's pretty wide. And then behind you, you have the vanity area. So you'll have like a nice mirror right here. You also get natural light too. So it's kind of a mixture. Get the vanity light, the natural light, it's cool. So you have that, you have the linen closet. So you have full-size bathroom at the A-frame across the hallway from your master, which is right here. So very front of the house, you have a nice master. Also, Mr. Cool's pointing right at you again. So you can be nice and cozy.
Yeah, and the bed's gonna be right here.
The bed's right here where all the kind of stuff is. So yeah, it'd be great. And you still have no space. So if you're on this side of the bed, you have to maybe do a little like walk like this a little bit, because it is a bit of an angle, but it's not too big of a deal. Get in the bed, you'll be, feeling great.
We really wanted to be, what's the word I'm looking for? We really wanted to take into consideration the A-frame with like the angles and the awkwardness that could happen.
Yeah.
And we just chose that a bedroom as well as the stairs, like Daryl pointed out, and the shower.
Yes.
We'd rather have the toilet be angled where you're going to be sitting down anyway, and you might be awkward when you're like trying to get in, but you're sitting and you're comfortable.
Right.
Versus a shower being uncomfortable.
Yes.
That shower is going to be very comfortable.
You're gonna love it. You can go to the lake and it'll be all hot, sweaty, come back and get super clean in the beautiful shower. Cool. I think that's upstairs. Upstairs is the last thing. So to begin the upstairs tour is this right here. So this is where it's a fan now, and it's a broom, so it doesn't look like anything special. But
can I explain it real fast?
Oh, absolutely, go for it.
Okay, I can point at you.
Okay.
But so every house that we've ever bought, every house we ever really toured, what has been the number one thing that I look
Christmas
forward to?
tree. Got a spot for the Christmas tree.
So now that we custom built this and we custom designed this, I said, I need a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
I need a Christmas tree in the A-frame.
Yes.
And I've always wanted a Christmas tree with stairs wrapping around it.
Yeah.
So my baby made it happen. And that's where it's going to be.
Yep. There you go. It's going to be really nice. You can go up to 19 feet right here of a Christmas tree if you wanted to.
Yeah.
It'll be kind of skinny at 19 feet, but you could. So.
We really don't want 19, but also this is going to be framed into like a little cute bookcase. So it's going to be we're wanting to add a lot of little character things in this A-frame. Like, it's already full of character. It's an A-frame, so it's very, very awesome.
Yeah.
But doing like the archway, doing like this right here, this is something that we did out of necessity because this holds up the upstairs. Yeah. But we're going to wrap this, and it's going to be a really cool reclaimed look post. So it's that kind of stuff that we really want to bring into this A-frame. And being here, it gets me so excited to design and to pick out finishes and whatnot. So, but yeah, let's go upstairs. The view from up there is amazing.
Let's do it. I just want to point out again, these stairs are very comfortable to walk up, okay? Not like these other A-frames that make you walk up a ladder. Like, it's ridiculous. Nobody wants to walk up a ladder to go upstairs. So to walk upstairs normally, and you can here. So you're upstairs. And again, first thing I want to point out, the Mr. Cole. Oh man. So yeah. And let me say this too. It's, what is it, like 60 degrees outside, something like that? Let's verify really quick. So we don't have the ACs on, and it feels great. Like, you're always the person that gets hot.
I am.
And are you hot right now?
Not really.
And you have a cardigan on.
Yeah.
64 degrees. So you would think it'd be getting kind of warm, somewhat. It's really not, because we have really good insulation from Rockwall. So thank you, Rockwall. But yeah. So the bed. Where's the bed go?
I'm still pondering. I'm thinking on this side.
Right here?
Yeah, this way. Okay, yeah, so let me talk design a little bit before we show the view, because the view is the money maker.
Hold on to that, yeah.
Okay, so over here, I want to do like a couch. Where this is. That's kind of why I put it there.
Video game? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know.
It's gonna be your book nook.
Okay, a book nook.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
There you go.
Right.
And then across from here is gonna be like a little library kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like probably custom shelves and whatnot.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, we could probably just do custom shelves to come up. It'd be really cool. And then I'm thinking, at first I was thinking the bed to be in front of the window.
Right.
But I don't know if I like it with the AC there. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but maybe we'll just put the bed coming this way.
Okay. Either way, you really can't lose, right?
Mm-hmm. But you know where we can't lose?
Where's that? The view.
The view. The view from up here literally makes you feel like you're on top of the world, essentially.
Yeah.
Like you're in the forest. Like you literally see birds fly underneath you. It's wild.
You do. You know, I often see cardinals on some of the top of these trees. Mm-hmm. They'll just be there kind of hanging out. So it's really cool to see that.
Yeah, that view is my maker. That's literally what kind of sold us on this land. We had no idea this was the view when we bought the land.
Yeah, we couldn't really know because this thing was like as a forest. You know, we had to essentially, clear half of the lot to get this. But we had faith because, especially when you walk down to the ravine, you see the rocks, you see like the limestone. So we're like, okay, we can build here. And it's better than we dreamed because we really didn't think we'd get all of this. So it's a blessing. And I can't wait till you're here. So thanks for touring with us and hope you guys really enjoy the A-frame when you come. It's going to be amazing. We can't wait to have you. So see you guys.